Good morning, dear students. We are continuing today's class. Okay. The topic of the lesson is on killing a tree. In the live class yesterday, I had asked a question, what is a tree? Simple question. But when it is suddenly asked, you do not know where to start with. All of us know what is a tree. All of us have seen them. Various types of trees. And one of you said it has got leaves, branches, trunk, root. Yes. And I said, yes. If you just remove a leaf, cut a branch, even if you cut the trunk, it does not die. Only if you uproot it, it dies. And I said this killing a tree means destroying the tree. Okay. It's a poetical expression, killing. We normally use this word for killing people. But surely the poet has used this word here, killing. How cruel it is. We don't think that cutting a tree hurts the tree or brings a big damage, destroys life. First of all, we don't understand it has got life. In one of the lessons of junior class that I take, Jagadish Chandra Bose, there is a lesson on Jagadish Chandra Bose as a scientist who has proved that plants and trees have life. They react to the environment. And you as a science student in biology, you study how a tree grows. Okay. And what are the requirements? What are the elements in the tree? You know all of them. It's like a human body. We are also like trees, vegetarian. Human beings are first of all vegetables, then animals, then the third stage we are human beings because of the sixth sense. Okay. So this is why killing somebody, a sin, a murder, big news. We don't dare to do. We don't think of doing. Somebody killed someone, my God, it's a terrible crime. So poet is using that way, killing it. It's a big crime today. I don't know if you kill an animal, there is a punishment and a law has been made. But if you cut a tree, you're not allowed to cut the trees of the forest. But if you cut a tree in your campus, in the adjustment, on the side of the house, adjustment place, nobody comes and asks you questions. But I think a day must come to cut every tree, small or big. One should have a permission and should be prohibited because it has got life. So the poet says, killing a tree. So it's very poetical expression, but it brings meaning. That's what is more important. It's not fantasy. It has got meaning. Killing a tree means killing life. Not only the life of the tree, life of earth, life on earth. Okay, so good. Now this is about the topic I had said, killing a tree. You see, when you understand each word has got big meanings. Especially titles, there are simple titles, they carry a lot of meaning. Okay. Then I will go to next line. I'm making some lines here, not just based on the poem, type of full complete sentence. Okay. It takes much time to kill a tree. Much time. How long? With the latest technology using machines like bulldozer, what do you say, JCB, you could remove a huge tree maybe 4 or 5 hours, because huge trees are simply not pulled out, simply uprooted at one stretch. They got big roots, dig all around. Remove the root one by one, then try to push. Along the root is difficult, and it breaks. So it will take a lot of time if you machines. And another lesson of junior class that I am taking, there is a tree doctor who treated those trees which were destroyed during the World War because of nuclear bomb. See, people can survive like that. A little bit of virus kills people, human beings, very sensitive. We are killed so easily. One blade cut. We die slowly, but you can kill a person with a blade. But a tiger and lion, can you kill like that? You need a gun, big knife or something. So killing human beings is easier. I don't say you go and kill people, but how much time it takes to kill a tree, to destroy a tree, takes a lot of time. So they are more strong, powerful than human beings. Okay. Can you lift a tree? There are, I think, the most weakest creature on earth. Weakest physically. If you are mentally also weak, a little dog can chase you. Those white puppies, pets in houses, small ones, if they bark, they come, but you run now. Small insects like mosquito can also disturb you. So we are weaker than mosquitoes, ants if they get in the ear. And we think we are big human beings. Great achievements. What are we? We pollute, we do all nonsense. The weakest creature on the earth, I would say. Okay, easily affected, very sensitive here. I'm not devaluing human beings, but I'm just valuing the nature. In front of nature, we are nothing. We say we behave like we are the owner of the nature, the earth and the sky and the space. No, they are not beings. So why should we destroy trees? Okay. Now, it takes a lot of time. Okay, much time. And they die time, like even after nuclear bombs, in many years the trees have survived. They dried, they have been medicated, and they come to life. Can human beings come to life like that after years? So it takes much time. It depends how you kill them, destroy them. Kill a tree already, killing it unexpected. Okay. Now, not a simple jab. Jab is just poking with a knife, punch, like murdering people, no? With one punch, the knife, jab to death. You can't do the tree. And big knife will not enter hard trees. The knife will break. So, not a simple jab of the knife will do it, will kill it. It has grown slowly. Okay. In the poem, the sentence is like this: will do it, it has grown. I don't know why these things are divided, but one thing you can know: will do it. Here it has grown. Will do what? That killing. So it is a separate thing. Now anyhow, we form the next point, like it has grown slowly. It has grown slowly. How many years? Depends upon the trees. We are intellectually, that's why third sense makes us very different. A lot of hybrid plants. As you buy a mango plant, you got fruits there, all hybrids, and they've got different methodologies. Okay, not only they gem out from the seed, but they can also do joining of different branches in your root. Okay, good then. So it has grown slowly and it will die slowly. We also grow slowly, but I don't know why we die fast. Human being, even if you jab one fellow with a knife, it will take hours for him to die, not on the spot. There are some, of course, after fear, some stroke, something like that. It takes time. Our body also dies step by step. Okay. So it has grown slowly. We also grow slowly, like us. It has grown slowly. And again, this slowly consumed the earth. Okay. It has grown slowly. Slowly consuming the earth. The four verbs are used here: consuming, rising, feeding, absorbing. Consume, taking. We consume food. Okay. And tree is consuming from the earth food for it, from the soil. And it does not just consume and remain as it is. Okay. A dead tree does not consume anything. And it consumes, as a result, it rises up, rising out of the earth. You see that a seed that falls on the earth rises, consuming the earth. Cause and effect. Okay. Feeding upon its crust. You know what is crust? It's the toppermost layer, the shortest layer of the earth. How short? They say 5 to 7 kilometers, the crust of the earth. The mantle, then the core, you read in geography or science. So, yeah, huge tree, a strong tree may go up to 40 feet, 30 feet. The root, main root can go. If you analyze in the web, you may find the deepest root of the tree in the history and how long it goes. It can go far. Huge old trees. In your book, mango trees, when mango trees are strong, it has got strong roots. Okay. Feeding upon its feeding, this word is feeding. This is what is poem. Similes, comparisons, like parabolic expressions. Feeding. We feed children. Okay. So the earth feeds the tree. Okay. It is fed by the crust. Okay. Good. Now last verb is absorbing years of sunlight. Years, so many years. Each tree has got certain number of years. Some of the trees, like banyan trees, they live longer, for years, 200 years. 100 years. There are trees. So many years they have lived. And banyan tree, they've got so many roots. Like you go to Calcutta Botanical Garden, there is a banyan tree. I don't remember now how many years old. You can check in the net. It covers 2 acres of land. With so many roots. Okay. So many years it has taken to grow. Can we kill it all in a sudden? It's not possible. So with that we stop today. So they consume sunlight, air, water, like any creatures. Okay. So I think this much explanation is enough. You should not feel bored. Last a simple poem, few lines, just read within few seconds. No, each word has got a meaning. Okay. So read with the meaning. You remember, you are able to answer the questions better. You enjoy. This one is poem, short, brief, sweet. You should read, reflect. Then you enjoy poems. So that way you can understand them better or the best. Thank you.